guys can see Battle Arena. What's up, right? Let's read.
Guys, the Harmony Island Arena is here. Yes, you guys heard me right. The Harmony Island Arena is here. So guys, if you guys logged onto Prodigy and looked at the portal, you guys could tell that the portal said it was already open. But if you guys click over here, you guys can see Battle Arena. Island Arena is here. Right guys, so this is breaking news, and let's not waste another second and let's get on straight into it. Already open. But if you guys click over here, you guys can see Battle Arena. Battle of the Wizards to become #1 of the arena. And if you guys click go to arena, what will happen is it will take you to the Harmony Island Arena. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, this looks absolutely amazing, right? Now this is my first time actually going here, so I have no idea what's up, right? Let's read this. Welcome young wizards. This is the Grand Battle Arena where the most powerful wizards are created. You have proven yourself worthy of challenging other wizards, a new journey of magic. Let me introduce you to myself. I am the great Prince E-Spell. After winning many trophies, I now help other young wizards like you to do the same. The Battle Arena was built up to help wizards get stronger and challenge the ancients. Alright, so it seems like there's some sort of glass which you have to click on, but sorry, let's click on the enclosure and see what happens. Alright, it shows our seasonal progress, and the season lasts for 130 days. 130 days. Oh my god. Alright, so not only that, but it seems like that we can also challenge some people and we can go across. And right now, everyone is starting off at bronze. Or maybe that's because I'm just bad at this. Which account did I log in with? Seems like I have forgotten the matter of fact that I used the wrong account. Anyways, time to log out and log back in. Alright guys, now that I've logged on to the right account, you guys can see there's also an exclamation mark above the there's also an exclamation mark above Lamplight Town, so let's go to the arena and see what's up. Right account, let's head to the arena and see what's up. Right, boom! There's an arena change to the entire status of the arena, so let's hop in and see what's rocking. So we have this guy, blah 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 blah. Let me quickly check my pet team to make sure that they're up to the task. Oh, no, they're not. Where is my Ember Shed? Alright, Ember Shed, get on the team. Let's see what other pet we also want on. I don't know, maybe a high-level pet. You guys know, like, high-level pets with a lot of health would probably do good. Oh yeah, let's add on an Boreal because they have a lot of health. Right guys, so let's click on the case over here and see what's up, right? Let's do this. Season progress, 130 days.
To the arena. This is your arena progress. Earn more trophies in battles to unlock better rewards.
Alright.
Let's go find some players to challenge.
Ooh, so it seems like they're having an entire new challenge system. Leaderboard.
This is the leaderboard where you can see other players. Defeat players to earn your way to the top.
Alright. And now over here it seems like we can select which... Alright, so it seems like we can actually select our runes over here and our pet's advantages. And it seems like they're randomly selecting mine. Well, either way, let's just go to battle and see who we end up against. Right? Yeah, so we can choose our challenger.
This is where you will find other wizards to challenge. Let's challenge the first wizard for now.
Alright, so we challenge the first wizard and go linear motion, right? Yeah, we go sideways.
When you're ready, click the battle button.
Alright, thank god I did not end up like that, because if I was gonna end up in a battle like this, I would be so scared. Like, oh my god, I seriously did not end up in a battle like that, but okay, that's good. And can we just take a second to look at the epic music? Like, it's just so epic. Like, the music is like just my vibe. So yeah, let's get this started. It seems like a whole new arena season, and let's get this battle started now. I hope this isn't an NPC, and I hope they have an arena timer to stop people from rage quitting. And it's low. The music here is godly. Look at this. This is like an actual full-scale stadium match, and this looks so amazing. And it also seems like that the amount of trophies you get also varies and depends on which league you're on and who you're fighting against. But let's see how much. 9,000 damage in a single strike. 9,000 damage. That is absurd. That's like his entire health. Guys, this is the strat. Just go at full damage and you'll beat the living daylight out of the enemy team. Right, we're just gonna do another 9,000 damage and instantly kill everyone here. Like, dude, this is like the new strats. And look, their damage doesn't even stack up compared to our ridiculous amounts. It also seems like our, what do you call it? It also seems like our points over here seem to stack up from outside the arena. So every time before you actually go and do a battle, I'd recommend you guys fill this up. Well, no, we'll find out what happens after this battle. Right, there you guys go. We absolutely wrecked the enemy team and went up by, oh my god, that is so little progress. Alright, 32 battle stars, not gonna lie, that's pretty nice. Now let's collect our stars over here, and let me lower down the volume because this is making me deaf, but yeah. 15 stars, let's open the chest and see what we get. Alright, so it seems like we got some sort of fruit smoothie! Yeah! Alright, seems like we're getting healthy food options in Prodigy, and that looks like a rare item. And it seems like we've unlocked some sort of chest, so let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, I am actually going to be loving the arena season now. It seems like we get some sort of rewards, fireworks, and potions. Goodie! Right, let's see what's up next. It seems like we need 500 trophies, and how many seasons does this go to? Move at the speed of light, my character. Move at the speed of light. Make me proud. Alright, so it seems like it only goes up to Gold League yet, but let's see what seasonal rewards are. Right, yeah, let's see what our seasonal rewards are. Right, yeah, seasonal rewards. So it seems like for the bronze tier, we'll be able to unlock ourselves smoothie helmets and stuff. And then for the silver tier, we'll get something else which I don't know about. But it looks so cool, and you guys know I have to make it to the top because this just looks like top quality stuff. I mean, just look at this armor which they gave us in this. Like, armor is like looking legendary. I want this and I am gonna get it, okay? No matter what, I'm getting it. So let's try doing another battle and see how stuff ends up going, right? Now, the only reason I'm doing this is to instantly kill people, so yeah, let's just go like this. You won. So I guess we can challenge the next person. Let's see, 18. I'm going after the person with 18 because it seems like they have nothing in store to defend themselves for. And over here, you guys can choose which one you're going against, but let's go against the one who doesn't have much on him equipped. Right, we're always going to be taking the highest bets, so yeah, let's do this. I mean, we're going to, like, absolutely destroy them. Now, I do think these are NPCs because they don't look like actual arena players yet. Well, either way, this guy's gonna get destroyed. You guys know the drill. They're gonna get destroyed instantly. I mean, like, I'm doing 9,000 damage per attack. What do you expect from 9,000 damage? Like, this guy's gonna get two-shot. I'm two-tapping the entire team here. Just look at the damage. 9 and 7. Oh, his Tarragon instantly died. This guy must be so angry that I just instantly killed his entire team. Like, I just murdered his Tarragon, flat up murdered. And now his backseat pet should also be dead by now, so we only have him in the place. And it seems like he's trying to take a defense potion or a damage increase potion. Psst, that's not gonna do anything if he didn't even attack me. Oh, this guy's so dead. Yeah, if this is what the arena is, then I'm gonna be so happy. I mean, this is so easy, like, bruh. And I don't think that it's worth rage quitting anyone anymore because you can get past this so much. Like, what's the point of rage quitting? This is like anti-rage quit systems. So I'm actually quite happy with this arena, and let's keep on going and keep on destroying some people. We won! Yes, let's see what else we get. And it seems like we can also shuffle. Let's see if I can shuffle once again. I don't know. This is all disappointing. Shuffle. 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 Give me someone good. You know, this guy over here just looks like he wants to be destroyed. So it seems like it basically decides whenever you're getting it or not getting it. So that's interesting. But yeah, let's just go into this battle against this guy and see how much trillions of damage we can do. The arena has come up around us, and now we shall approximately... Ah, shit. I forgot to charge up everything. This is not going to be a fun battle at all, but I'll be able to two-tap their wizard, so I'm fine with that. Well, yeah, because people are forced to skip their turns when they eat, I think this battle is actually going to be in the favor of people who can do high amounts of damage. Because then in order to heal or use potions, they'll actually have to do stuff, right? Over here, you guys can see they instantly use potions and their wizard is dead. Right, no more wizard. You guys use a potion against me and you're dead. Now, I don't believe that we're actually battling real people over here, so yeah. What? Confused. Well, I don't think they're actually going to be... Yeah, there you guys go. They can't even deal enough damage to my wizard. Shorty might have done 5,000 damage, but I can also heal up. You guys know that, right? Now, I do believe if they're going to try playing anything sneaky like healing up their wizard, I'll instantly be able to stop them from doing that. So yeah, 0 health, meaning they will have to move on to their next pet. And 4,000 damage? Ha, that's nothing. I can heal myself. Right, yeah, let's use this smoothie. Let's see what it is. 50%, that's pathetic. Cake! 75%! And now I shall just two-shot the enemy team. Well, either way, that was a waste of their stuff because I can, like, yeah. Yeah, you guys know what this is. This arena season is absolutely broken for people who can do massive amounts of damage. I mean, just the massive amount of damage with the Ice Dragon, Shoot Crown, and Strongest Wands will easily give you guys an advantage. Because there you guys go, we just obliterated their Ember Shed. Like, their Ember Shed stands no chance. This person stands no chance, so I think we'll win. And if you are facing against good arena bots, well then, rage quitting isn't gonna work anymore, so they fixed that. I'm quite happy because I've been rage quit so many times, it's annoying. But yeah, here we go. We can finish off the Ember Shed and we will be able to move on forward. Yeah, boy! Here we go. 9,000 damage and another battle one. This is how you cheese it. Or another way you could cheese it is by having infinite hearts, but it doesn't guarantee you the same victory. Right, so there you guys go. We're already at 48. Let's see. Let's collect some of this stuff over here and let's see what happens. Now, I really do want to see if we can unlock any more chests, which is super exciting. And as you guys can see, I'm just genuinely excited for this. Let's see, we finished off that challenger and see who we get next. Let's see, 49. And we guys can see the level, so we can specifically choose who has the least amounts of level and battle them. Which is quite a broken arena season if you guys ask me. It also seems like we can go to Harmony runs as well. Right. Alright, so it seems like it's actually pretty hard to progress on this, and this will be actually quite fun. Now, this is basically my blind look into the arena season, and guys, I will be updating you on every time I rise the rank, right? Grinding the arena season, because, like, I need to do this. It will allow me to, like, become one of the best. And, ooh, let's see what's on the leaderboard. Oh, it seems like I'm actually in the top players. Wow. Wow, guys, I've made it onto the top players list already. This is amazing. Okay, so I'm in the top players. Well, yeah, I guess I better get back to grinding. I'm not gonna lose. Guys, I hope you guys found this video informational and entertaining. And if you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and give this video a massive thumbs up if you guys haven't already.